Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 2nd of April. And yesterday we saw Bitcoin doing something amazing, and I uploaded this in the yesterday's update, and it was quite amazing to see what Bitcoin really did. And this is so fun, you're just hitting the right notes, you're hitting all the right notes to actually go to the upside. So all you did is you make a nice big ascending triangle, broke out of the ascending triangle, come back for the retest, and that's it. You're looking to actually go to the upside. So to me, this is looking very, very nice, unless this isn't a fake out and you start to come down and lose 43,800 potentially. Boom, you start to come here, lose this line, and then you continue to go down. Okay. That would be really, really bad. But by the looks of things, by the looks of markets, we do have a lot of coins that have some upper targets pending to go to the upside. Some of them has broken out of a falling wedge. Some of them have a technical target to just start flying to the upside. So right now it just actually points to one thing, that Bitcoin has to actually go up so that those altcoins can actually go meet their targets. Okay, even coins like SHIB, coins like eGold, coins like Solana as well is looking to go to further to the upside. VeChain is looking to go further to the upside. So that tells you one thing, that Bitcoin has to go upside, and that's the reason why the altcoins have to follow behind Bitcoin. Yesterday we talked about the 20 EMA, and look at the 20 EMA. I told you it's gonna mirror potentially what we did back here in July. Okay, you went up like this, came down, hold the 20, and you can see it was holding the 20. With the time you lost the 20, that's when you had your big correction, potentially an ABC correction. Okay, so at this point of time, what you did here though is, you went to the upside like this, come back, hold this level of support, and hold the 20 as well. So that's massive, that's huge. And the candlestick that you print right on the support, it tells you that it's a hammer. Okay, so when you print a hammer, a bullish hammer like this right on a support level, and that means things are positive. It doesn't mean things are negative. Okay, so the thing that I want to tell you though is that you are in a supply zone that you're looking for, and I'm gonna draw that supply zone for you at this point of time. And this, guys, is your supply zone. Because why? What is a supply zone, by the way? The supply zone is a place where is a danger zone. Actually, it's a place where sellers are sitting in, because anytime the price went up like this, went down, went up here, came down, went up here, came down there. It did here a very, very few number of times right over there. So that's a supply zone, and it's a danger zone. So be careful. If Bitcoin starts to come over here, you might see a little bit of a sell-off, in these areas, because that's where it is. But this time there might not be a sell-off in this supply zone. You cannot judge the whole crypto based on a supply zone, because there's something else that I want to tell you as well. Now, we do know that this is an ascending triangle. It's a bullish pattern, right? So we are going to actually take the technical targets of that ascending triangle, which is going to be from the top here to the bottom right over there, right? So this is where, if you actually start to break out of, it's going to take you all the way up to $58,000. So I'm expecting a $58,000 if this retest is actually successful. And you're going to see this thing actually, go up here, maybe move sideways, and then boom, go to the upside just like that. So that's it for Bitcoin update, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you want to take a trading course, you can do so. If you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, join me on Discord and message me on Discord. I'm gonna tell you how to pay with crypto for 29 USDT. That's it. Allah Hafiz.